Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming 2 controllers and active profiles. That's non-negotiable. Once the game loads, select Campaign or Mercenaries because split screen is tied to those modes. You, as host, create a lobby and pick your difficulty and character, then tell your partner to press Start on the second controller to join. Make sure both profiles are fully signed in, otherwise the game won't register 2P. This gets you past the door and into the join flow quickly. Once both players appear, choose local co-op to enable horizontal split. Online sessions won't force split screen. Now adjust display options. Set resolution to match your TV, usually 16:9, and reduce HUD scale if things feel cramped. This improves visibility for both players. Next, assign characters and confirm loadouts. Swapping inventory before launching prevents awkward mid-mission micromanagement. Finally, the host confirms mission settings and starts the run. This locks in the split-screen layout for that session, so both players see their view simultaneously. You now launch the mission and immediately verify each player has a functioning viewport and responsive controls. This matters more than cosmetics. If the default split orientation feels wrong, open options and switch horizontal versus vertical split when available. Make sure camera sensitivity and aim assist suit both players. If the second controller fails to join, reconnect, or power cycle it, re-sign the profile, or restart the game. These steps clear input handshake issues. Once stable, play and save progress as usual. That's it. Enjoy cooperative play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.